Where to find the best sites. Snakes, spiders and insects. Howdy. So you want to know more about snakes in the rainforest? These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about snakes in the rainforest is www.tropical-rainforest-animals.com. See the page titled Green Anaconda, the largest snake in the world. This is the link. You can also try en.wikipedia.org, especially the page Snake, Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see en.wikipedia.org. The web page Coral Snake, Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. This is the link.